Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download your digital voter ID card for free on mobile. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open Chrome browser and writing here voter portal, and you see here first site, click here, and friends here have two options, login and sign up. Click here sign up, and friends this interface open ready. Write here your mobile and email ID, and solve this captcha and click to continue. After that friends, you receive an OTP. That OTP you writing and click to proceed. I have already signed up, so I will click on login. Now I will enter my mobile number, solve this captcha and click to request OTP. So friends, which mobile SIM number I registered with this ID? That mobile SIM number I receive an OTP. That OTP I writing here and click to verify and login. Scroll down. Click here ePIC download. And here friends, you writing ePIC number. You check your voter ID card and you see here same like this. This is ePIC number. That ePIC number you writing here and click here. Here you select your state and click here. And friends, this interface open ready. Here have all detail my voter ID card. Scroll down. Click here send OTP. After that again you receive one OTP. That OTP you writing here. And click to verify. Click here download ePIC. Click here and click here. So friends, digital voter ID card has been downloaded. So now I can use it anywhere as a valid ID. So very simple or easy friends, you also can download your digital voter ID card. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.